Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today it means August 19, 2022. So we have taken two trades and two trades are from uh, banking sector and that two trades are from same stock. So that is State Bank and I have taken two trades as short positions. So as you can see, the trend was in downtrend, so I have gone along with the along with the trend. So yeah, so my first trade got executed around 11 a.m. So my entry price was at 529.50 and my stop loss was at high of this candle, so that is 531. So yeah, so my exit was at 524.50. So in this candle around 524.50 I have exited. So the reason is because from here it has taken the support, so because of which I have exited at the uh, same position. Yeah, though the second trade I have taken around 240, 239 you can say. So in this trade, in this candle, my trade got executed. My entry was at 522 and stop loss I have placed at high of this candle. So that is 524. Yeah, so it neither hit my target nor hit my stop loss. So I have exited in between. So I have exited around 3:10 p.m. So 3:10. Yeah, so in this candle I have exited. Uh, so my exit position was at 521.30. So if I don't exit, my broker will square it off and I need to pay extra. So he'll definitely charge extra money. So yeah, so because of which I squared myself. So if not, it would have gone down. You can see as the trend is downside. So I would have at least achieved 1:1. Sorry, here. See, here you can see, right? So my entry price was at 522. Now it is trading below 520. So easily I would have achieved 1:1. So yeah, so this was the trades for today. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.